am back, and I am back with some unboxings. These unboxings, I've been waiting. Excuse me. Let me drink some water. I've been waiting for these for one of them. I've been waiting for a while. I mean, for a minute. I'm gonna open that one first because I've been down to see these. Everything that I'm gonna open on this video, I've been feeling to open, so the rest could wait. But this, I've been waiting for like months. But this is something I've been waiting for. I'm glad they packed it up like this, because where it's coming from, I'm glad they packed it up like this. And this is a palette that I've been waiting for. Oh my God. So this is the Undergrowth Palette. I've been waiting for this palette for, oh my God, guys, you don't know. This palette went out of stock 3 times. And I was in the waiting list and the waiting list and the waiting list. And until it came back in stock, and I was like, oh yeah. So when this one came back, oh my God. Oh my God. The wait is so beautiful. The wait was worth it. Look at this. It says for eyes and face. I would never put this in my face. This is, oh my God, guys. I mean, isn't this the most beautifulest thing in the world? Look at this. This is the Undergrowth Palette from Cosmic Brushes. Oh, okay. Oh my God, isn't this palette beautiful? You've seen it, like, yes. This is the most beautifulest thing in the world. Wow. Oh my God. I'm not gonna swatch anything, guys, because I got so many things to unpack here. Oh my God. Maybe one. Let me see which one calls on to me. Let me see through the mirror. Oh my God. Let me see which one is. Oh my God. These colors are gorgeous. Oh my God. I am cooking right now, so I really don't wanna. God. So this is the Undergrowth Palette by Cosmic Brushes. I don't even want to throw out the. I threw out the boxes for the other one, and these are like. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't know why I threw out the boxes from the other ones, because these are like so thin, and then the other one. This one was like so. I was waiting for this one for a while, for a long time. And then this is the one that I wanted so bad. Look at this one. The nude, the neutrals. The other one is beautiful, but I was like, nah, this one is better. And look at these colors, guys. Look at these colors. And in order for me to get free shipping, I wasn't gonna skip on this one. So I got both of them, and I got free shipping. So that's the only way you can get free shipping, is if you get 2 or more things. And oh my God, look at that green. This is the one that I need to. Oh my god! Look at this! 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 Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at that color! My lights went out. Look at that green. It's a dual chrome, that green. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the one that this one's been out for a while. This one has been out for a while. I gotta charge my lights. Wow. Yeah. So these are the ones that I've been waiting for like, they said for October 30th, and I was like, oh my god, as soon as they emailed me that they were back in stock, I jumped so fast, and I put them in my car, and I just, yeah, I send out for them, because these two were the ones that I've been waiting for. Like, I've been waiting for those two. Like, I got a whole bunch of them already. I got, I think it's 4 of them, and now those two make 6. Then, of course, you guys know how much I love, and I hope whenever anybody orders from, you guys know how much I love, hope you love. When anybody orders from Alter Ego, you're using the code STEPH10, so you can get a 10% off, because 10% is 10%. And I've been letting you guys know that there was 2 palettes that I didn't get before, like right away, because I didn't have daylight, did I? Give me one quick second. Let me check my stash. Okay, no, I didn't. Yeah, because I got all Alter Ego's palettes, all of them. I have practically all, now I have all of them. Yeah. Coastal. Yes. I'm sorry for that. I was missing Daylight, which Daylight is a dupe for, what was Daylight a dupe for? A Natasha Denona, and I have this palette, Natasha Denona palette, and this one is a Natasha Denona. Give me one quick second. Okay, guys, I had to go check in on the food. Okay, the Daylight palette, I brought out the dupe. Okay, this is the way it looks. And it's duping this one. Now, which one is this palette? if I put it like this, you guys will probably see it better. Okay, like this. You guys can see it better. It's a perfect dupe. Okay, so one is $69 and the other one came out to $22, I think it was. And it's, I mean, it's better than let me see, the Daylight palette. And then plus the 10% that using the step 10, you just, it comes out, you know, yeah, it's $22, the Daylight. And then, okay, this one, perfect. I love it. Because these, I travel with these. They smaller and they're not $69, which I'm not going to. And is duping Natasha Denona's I Need a Nude palette. Okay, so I'm not going to travel with my Natasha Denona palettes. So, and these work very, very good. So, and then I also picked up the Mistheaven palette, which is another great dupe for another palette that I do have. Because I do love her products as well. And I can never open these boxes. Come on, come on. And these two, they were waiting. I know they were waiting for me to, because I always buy from the older palettes. And now I'm waiting for the new one. And then this is the Mistheaven palette, which, look at this. Look at these colors, guys. Come on. You gotta tell me that they don't dupe so perfectly. Look at the Mistheaven colors. And what is this duping? Look at these colors. How perfect. And then it has the cream one too. Wow. Then it's called Shadow. And then it's duping this one. Which this one was not, I don't think this was $69. I think this was a little bit more. And this one is The Pretty Grunge by Huda Beauty. Which you guys know, I love Huda Beauty. Was Huda Beauty and Natasha Denona. Those are my girls right there. So, let's do this right here. See this? Wait a minute. Let me grab it to here. I don't want to touch no shadows. They're identical. The only thing that they did not dupe was one shadow that I see there, which is this, wait, which is Strong AF. They did everything perfect except this one. This one right here. You see how they did everything perfect, but not this one? See that? This one is the only one that they didn't do. That's the only difference, but they did even the cream. They did everything perfect but the cream. Wow. Yeah, they did everything perfect except the, I don't know. They put, yeah. So that's the only one I see there that they did not do was that one right there. Strong AF. But they put it over here as moon, but they didn't swirl it around. This one right here. But this is the palette. This is grunge, pretty grunge. Okay. So, and pretty grunge, somebody how you call it, I did a giveaway, and on this palette is $24, and using Steph's 10 you can get it 10% off. So remember, if you want anything from Alter Ego, use Steph 10 and you get 10% off for your order. Okay, so that's all I gotta say. And then, of course, I got another package I ordered. Just gotta be careful how then I placed another order. Ooh, nice. I gotta try that out. Then I went to because she came out with a new palette. And they're saying that is the last one. And it was sold out at Sephora, but I didn't go to Sephora. I went to her website, and I only paid for this palette. It was $69. And then I had some points. Where is it? It's not it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, because since I buy from their websites, I get points, so I use my points. I only pay $93 for everything because they took out the palette was 69, and then I purchased, I'll show you the palette in a second, and then I purchased her lipstick, and this one is in She Flirty. And I saw it so beautiful. Okay, Huda Beauty, She Flirty. Oh my gosh, smells like love it. This has like a shimmer. Love it. And that came out to $19. Yes. Then the palette, this gorgeous palette looks like this. The Icy Nude palette. Look at this gorgeous palette. Tell me that this is not a palette. This is a palette. I love it because it has mauves. It has a gold. It has icy colors. It has silver. It has a pink. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am so happy I got this palette. And then it has a pressed glitter, a diamond dew. That's the pressed glitter. Oh my god, and it feels like so squishy. It's beautiful. A lot of people said that when they got their palette, one of them was broken. None of mine are broken. I'm glad my palette came intact. And got my icy palette. Okay, and then they send me Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. I'm dying to try this one out, and I did made an order from Sephora, and I'm waiting for my order to come in, which it should be here this upcoming week. Then, last but not least, that's why I said that I didn't want to order anything for Halloween, because and then I ordered another thing. Then of course you guys know how weak I am when it comes to my girl. Natasha Denona. I love her so much. Oh my god, oh my god. I had to, I had to, I had to, I had to, I had to. I had to possess this beauty. They didn't put the thing in the top, the plastic. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. It's perfect. It's just so gorgeous. It's just, and you guys are not going to believe how much I paid for this. The palette is $69. I only paid for this palette $49. This palette only came out to $49 for me because of my points. I am so happy I got this palette. Look at this beautiful color. This is like a, it says Star Girl. You can hardly see it, but it's so beautiful. I gotta go cook. That's why I can't be swatching, because I gotta go cook. But I had to stop and show you guys my gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is why I didn't want to buy anything for Halloween. Nothing. Because I spent so much money in all these gorgeous palettes. It's just that I went crazy. I went crazy. Yes, I bought so many luxurious things, and it's just like, yeah, when I say I'm gonna buy something that I need to fall in love in order for me to purchase. Yeah, so that is everything I have for you guys for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful, blessed one. Bye bye.